Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Binance mobile app. First, download the app from your device's app store. Then, complete the quick registration and identity verification. This crucial step ensures your account's security and compliance. Finally, enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection. This keeps your crypto safe from unauthorized access, giving you peace of mind. Now that your account is set up, let's get some funds in. You can easily deposit existing cryptocurrency from another wallet. Alternatively, purchase crypto directly using a credit or debit card, a straightforward option. For local currency, explore peer-to-peer or P2P trading. This method connects you with other users to exchange crypto for your local money, offering flexibility.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And speaking of things that last, don't get cold feet with your crypto investments or your socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With funds in your account, you're ready to trade. Head to the trade section to buy and sell various cryptocurrencies. Binance offers different trading options like spot, margin, and futures, catering to diverse strategies. You can place market orders for instant execution, limit orders to set your desired price, or stop-limit orders for risk management. It's quite intuitive. Keeping an eye on your investments is simple. The wallet section provides a clear overview of all your asset balances. You can easily track your portfolio's performance over time and review your complete transaction history. Don't forget to set up price alerts for your favorite cryptocurrencies. This helps you stay informed about market movements without constant checking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.